How's it going, everyone? So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise on your Blue Yeti. Predominantly it's like a hum noise as what I've seen on the internet, and it's quite simple and you can do it without using any software at all. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use a shock mount. A shock mount is the reason why you're getting all this background feedback. And how I came to figure out that you need a shock mount is after playing around trying to figure out where is this humming noise coming from, I took a recording while I was holding the mic in my hand. And it was at that point that the humming stopped. And then I came to the realization that my body was acting as a shock mount as I was holding it in my hand. So the tin can stand that it comes with, it looks secure and looks cool, but it actually sucks. It doesn't work well as a shock mount. So instead of playing around with the gain settings, instead of playing around with levels, instead of playing around with software like Audacity, if you just buy a shock mount for your Yeti, it will get rid of all of the background noise. Now, if you don't want to spend any of the money, which is totally fine, what you want to do is you want to get rubber O-rings and you want to put them in between your Yeti with the apparatus it comes with. The two O-rings that will fall out will be like a silvery looking color with a black center ring around it. And you want to replace those with not plastic, but rubber O-rings. I'll take a picture and show you what I'm talking about. That will also work as a shock mount. It won't be as good, but it will get rid of about 80 to 90% of any background noise you get. And if you do that also and work with your levels and gain, you'll probably get rid of all of the background noise completely. So that should work. Of course, if you have any more issues or concerns, you can always just comment on this video and I will love to help you guys out. So thank you so much.